Hello friends, I hope you read quite well. Today I have a gift voucher for you. These are in EPS files. Sorry, this is in EPS file for Adobe Illustrator. Here is preview. You write your own bonus capacity, our company name, phone number, or website, etc. email. So drag this on Adobe Illustrator and extract layers, extract groups, then extract groups, and you see, okay, here is very simple, is you can do easily. You can click one by one path and change color. Click here on yellow and then click on green. These are in RGB color, or you can change black. Wow, here is second option. Select sky blue color or depend your own self. Make more better. Here is dark red. Okay, look like amazing look. And here is a text path. You remove it and write your own content. Here is bonus. Okay, I think we can't write anything, but first delete it and then you write your content. Okay, so you can use it or you can remove it and write your own content. Okay, here is company name. Same here, remove it and write your own company or own your choice. Same here, just design is changed. Click on voucher behind or voucher background, and here is dark pink or gradients. Select gradients. Wow, you see here the amazing look. And here is voucher red color or dark blue, I think sky blue or sky dark, a rainbow color. Depend your own self, you better know for this. And cancel this. Here is same here option, just you click on first click on group and then you extract any other group. Extract group. Here is I think this voucher. So you can change color, you can do everything. I know you can do better. I just tell you, for example, wow, here it look like a Facebook cover, but you can change one by one path, like black. Wow, black shadow, and use gradients overlay, black or yellow. So you can increase opacity. Sorry. Here is him, just you rename it. I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.